Rescue teams on Monday evacuated residents and tourists after monsoon rains triggered flooding in Lonavala, a popular hill station in India's western Maharashtra state. They used inflatable tubes to carry stranded flood victims to safety after heavy rainfall inundated the municipality. One evacuated resident said floodwaters continued to rise after 2 to 3 days of relentless rain.
जो पानी का फ्लो है थोड़ा बढ़ते जा रहा है क्योंकि बारिश 2-3 दिन से कंटिन्यू है और पानी का फ्लो जैसे ही हमने रेस्क्यू टीम को कॉल किया तो रेस्क्यू टीम ने हमको अच्छा से रिस्पांस दिया और एक आध घंटे में वो आके पूरे जन को रेस्क्यू कर लिया है.
India's weather department issued a red alert for heavy rainfall in Gujarat, coastal Maharashtra, and coastal Karnataka as flooding continued to affect parts of the country. Maharashtra was among the worst hit with 3 more rain-related deaths recorded in Pune city, bringing the total to 13, while there were also cloudburst warnings in Nashik city. Relentless rainfall also triggered flash floods and landslides in Jammu and Kashmir, disrupted rail, road, and air services in several regions, and inundated towns in Odisha. The heavy rain comes despite India recording its 5th driest June since records began in 1901, raising concerns over agriculture and economic growth.